ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਸੈਗਮੈਂਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮੁਲਾਕਾਤ ਕਰਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਐਲਨ ਗਲੈਸਰ ਨਾਲ, ਇੱਕ ਫਾਰਮਾਸਿਸਟ ਹਨ ਅਤੇ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ UBC ਵਿੱਚ ਕਲੀਨਿਕਲ ਇੰਸਟ੍ਰਕਟਰ ਵੀ ਨੇ। ਇਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਂਝ ਪਾਇਆ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਮਹੱਤਵਪੂਰਨ ਵਿਸ਼ਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ। ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਵਿਸ਼ਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਰਦੀਆਂ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਫ ਅਤੇ ਕੋਲਡ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਾਫੀ ਵੱਧ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ। ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਇਸ ਦੀ ਰੋਕਥਾਮ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ, ਕੀ ਕੁਝ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੀਕਾਸ਼ਨਸ ਲੈਣੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਕਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਦਵਾਈਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਮਦਦ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਆਓ ਇਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਐਲਨ ਗਲੈਸਰ ਨਾਲ। Welcome to the program.
Thank you, Harpreet.
Thank you. So today we would like to know about cough and cold symptoms. What are the reasons for this, especially during this weather?
Well, most of the time, your cough and colds are caused by a virus.
Okay.
And viruses, up till now, we don't have any antibiotics. How do you know you got a virus? One, and your symptoms are you got a dry throat, it's scratchy, it's itchy, your nose starts to run, you got a headache. Those are all symptoms of a possible viral infection due to a cold.
Right.
What will happen is that when you blow your nose or you cough, when you blow your nose, it's either clear fluid or it's white. Now that's an indication normally it's just a virus.
Right.
When you cough your lungs up, you're coughing something up and it's turned colored, that's either yellow or green, that usually means there's a good chance you have a bacterial infection, which we have an antibiotic for.
Right.
Which you'd have to go see your doctor and get it checked out. But when we're just dealing with the symptoms of a cold or feels like the flu and everything's clear and it's running, you just feel crummy, there's certain things that help. Now, your body will normally fight this off. Assuming your immune system's working well.
Right.
In order to help it, though, I've got a couple of things, simple things you can take. Number one is zinc.
Okay.
Okay. Now, zinc is very important to our body's immune system and how it works.
Right.
It's possible to take zinc either in a tablet form. You have a sore throat. It comes in a throat lozenge form.
Okay.
And this one has a little echinacea and vitamin C in it. As I said, echinacea does help stimulate your body's immune system. People have been using it for centuries as a herbal remedy. It is a good choice, but just use it when your body needs a little extra help because you may have been run down. This time of year, too many parties, or you're not sleeping enough, your immune system actually runs down. And finally, we've got vitamin C.
Okay.
Some people cannot take straight vitamin C. It is ascorbic acid. It may upset the stomach. So the second best choice then is ester C.
Okay.
It's a form of vitamin C that doesn't upset your stomach, and it is also very effective.
Okay.
You want to take 3,000 or 4,000 milligrams a day of vitamin C. Add in the either zinc throat lozenges and or zinc itself.
Right.
Now we've addressed how your body's going to get rid of it sooner, quicker, and faster so you don't suffer. To get rid of the symptoms, there's only a very limited number of products in Canada that have an authorization.
Okay.
So every product, whether it be a Tylenol, an Advil product, the Buckley's, they're going to have 3 or 4 products. And what you're looking for, if you just have a plugged nose, you're going to look for something called pseudoephedrine or phenylephrine. Okay, that's to unplug your sinuses. Those 2 products will come either phenylephrine can come in a spray form, or it can come in an oral form.
Okay.
You can have a spray to unplug your sinuses. When you're using a spray that has a decongestant in it to shrink things up, you can only use that for normally 4 or 5 days.
Right.
Otherwise, you actually can be addicted to it. And when you stop it, your nose plugs up even worse. So that's if you use something for longer than 5 days at a time that shrinks your sinuses, you'd only want to use it as directed, no more than 5 days in a row.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay. Now if you still have a plugged nose and you want to use something between the time it says you can use the spray, because normally the spray is used once every 8 to 12 hours. In between, you can use saline solution now.
Okay.
There's a number of products. They all say contain saline. This is the one with just a pump spray in it. That's very safe to use, and what it's doing is loosen up the phlegm and get it to drain out.
Okay.
So that you can clear the sinus passages.
Right.
And it's very safe to use. There is no limit. If you have a dry nose, you can use it. If it's plugged up, you can use it. It helps unplug it. And there are sprays that are aerosols, where it's got air in it and really shoots it up into your sinuses to drain everything out.
Right.
Safe to use, very effective. There's a ton of products on it. Then it comes to taking something orally for adults.
Right.
You're going to look for something to control your pain if you got a headache. So you'll have acetaminophen in there, or you'll have aspirin in there, rarely these days, or you have ibuprofen in there. The most common thing is having acetaminophen or ibuprofen, and that's for pain. The second thing you're going to have in there, if you have a cough, you're looking for a complete one. So if you have a cough, you're looking for something with a DM in it. It's called dextromethorphan.
Okay.
This is a natural cough suppressant. It actually acts on the brain to suppress the tickle. You feel a tickle in your throat,
right.
but it doesn't cause you to cough.
Right.
That's what the DM does. It resets your sensitivity to that tickly throat. And finally, you're going to get a decongestant. And I mentioned those two, pseudoephedrine or phenylephrine, to unplug your sinuses. The bad, unfortunate thing about decongestants, in some people, it gives you an upset stomach. In some people, it causes you to be awake because it just makes you, get nervous sometimes. So sometimes they don't take it at night. Finally, at nighttime, they'll always add in an antihistamine, usually chlorpheniramine or something else. But it is an antihistamine which makes you drowsy and tends to dry up the secretion. So it tries to dry up your runny nose so it doesn't drip down your nose, it doesn't drip down the back of your throat, causing a tickle. Those are the ingredients in almost anything you buy over the counter, whether it's Advil, Tylenol, the Buckley's, the Contact C's, Sudafeds, whatever, Sinutabs. They all contain very similar ingredients. It's just a matter of what you need.
Great. You have, without asking any questions, you have clarified and covered everything. It was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you for your time. And of course, you give free suggestions when people come to you.
That's
so
right.
If there's somebody who wants to talk to you personally, where they can meet you?
You can meet me at Mark's Pharmacy. It's 80th and 120th Street in North Delta, on the northwest corner of the street, inside the medical building.
Thank you so much. Thank you.